Hi, this video shows how to get webhook URL from automation tools and connect Click to Chat with any application. Webhook settings are available at Click to Chat, Other settings. Connect Click to Chat with any automation tools using webhooks. When a user clicks on WhatsApp, the plugin triggers this webhook URL. We will create a webhook URL using automation tools like Zapier, pipedream and add it at Click to Chat settings. Here we will use the pipedream integration tool to create a webhook URL and add data to Google Sheet. Navigate to Workflows and click on New. To create a webhook URL, click http/webhook. Click on New Requests. Enter the name. Click on Create Source. Copy the webhook callback URL. Go to Click to Chat Other settings and paste the copied URL in Webhooks. Now, we will add values to webhook body. Click Add Value to add more values. We can add these values dynamically using variables. Variables are available in the Pro feature. The variable number is replaced with the assigned WhatsApp number. The variable time is replaced with the time when a user clicks the WhatsApp icon. URL is replaced with the URL of the page on which a user clicks on the WhatsApp icon. Save changes and visit website. From now onwards, whenever a user clicks on the WhatsApp icon, webhook URL is triggered. The webhook variable values are dynamically replaced with the user values who clicked on the WhatsApp icon. To store these values, let us use pipedream. Go to the workflow used in Click to Chat. To save the values across multiple sessions, pipedream offers tools like Google Sheets, Discord Webhook, Slack, Google Drive, Airtable, and many more. Let us use Google Sheet. Choose Add Single Row. Select a Google Drive account. Choose My Drive. Select a Google Sheet from the below list. Pipedream is already created Google Sheet present in My Drive. Choose a sheet from the list which is already created at My Drive. In Values, webhooks values are stored in Event, Body. Click on the WhatsApp to fetch the webhook values. Now, webhook values are fetched. Click on the event and choose Body. These are the variable values of webhooks in Click to Chat settings. Click on the select path beside the values to store them in a sheet. Click on plus to enter next body value. The order of values selected here replicates the same order in the spreadsheet. Click on Deploy. From now onwards, whenever a user clicks on the WhatsApp icon, the webhook variable values get stored in a Google Sheet. The variable values dynamically got replaced. Given text appears as it is, the variable number got replaced with assigned WhatsApp number, time with user click time, and URL with the page URL on which user clicked on the WhatsApp. Thank you for watching.